Come on, Mike, you gotta stay awake.
911, somebody called for somebody unconscious?
Yes, yeah, he just keeps falling asleep no matter how many times I try to wake him up.
Okay, do you know if he took any drugs?
Absolutely not. He would never do anything like that.
Okay, what about any alcohol?
I mean, I don't know. Not that I know of. I just don't understand why this is happening.
Are these his Ambien?
Yeah, he just got those the other day to help him sleep.
You know, I think we're good here.
Perfect.